If your Nintendo Switch Lite keeps disconnecting during gameplay, it's usually not the device itself. It's more likely your internet connection, NAT settings, or the game servers. Here's a quick way to fix it without wasting time. Solution 1. Restart your Switch and router. If you have recently switched your SD card or updated your Switch, your console is most likely just acting up. So unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back. After that, get your Switch at hand, hold the power button for 5 seconds, tap power options. Now select restart. This clears connection bugs on both sides. Solution 2. Delete and download the game again. Go to your home menu, find the problematic game that is giving you this error. I'll just press the plus button on my right Joy-Con, scroll down to manage software and select delete software to remove it from my Switch. Then simply re-download the game from the eShop or eject and reinsert the game card. This clears corrupted connection profiles. Hope this helps fix your issue. If it did, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.